Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I just want to do a quick video um, of this plugin for SDR Uno called FRAN, F-R-A-N. I've showed it to you before, and it's been updated just recently. And I'll show you the update. And what that does is it provides a database that it projects on the screen right here and shows you the stations that are on a particular frequency. And what you want to do is you want to get this screen as big as possible. So I'm not going to use the scanner function, so I'm going to get rid of that. Then I'm going to move this up. There we go. So now you can actually read this a lot better. And I'm using, this is my laptop. I'm using it with my SDR Play devices because I have one upstairs and one downstairs. And I keep changing the configuration so it's easier just to keep everything on the same computer, this laptop. So what I'm doing up here in my office is I'm using a 23-inch external monitor so I can see this right here even better. Now, let me show you the big difference in the new FRAN that just came out. So let's go to plugins. This is a plugin. Let's unload all plugins. So now it's gone away. And now we'll load plugin. I've selected FRAN. So we'll load that plugin. And then it's going to ask me for a database. And you can use many different types of databases. Well, come on, open up. I don't know why that didn't open up. There's one I'm going to use right here, right this second. This is a SWSKEDS schedule, or database. And you can get this off of a users group on the internet. And if you don't know where to get it, then just do a search, Google search for this, and it'll find that group where they're posted. Okay, so I'm going to say open. So now it's showing me out of the database what's on this frequency. And if you change the frequency, let's go to 6 megahertz. Oops, not 60. 6 megahertz. And there's some things that's on 6 megahertz. That could be on 6 megahertz. And right now, I got a message this morning that tells me what the solar flux index, and it's 88 again. So things should be better. Now here are all the stations. Echo of Hope, Voice of America, China Radio, Radio Habana. Let's see if we can hear anything. Now, before I do that, the one thing I didn't like about this plugin is you couldn't get rid of this window. So it was like, where do I put it? I don't have any room to put it. Now he's added a minimize button. Boom, it's out of the way. Can minimize this. Boom, it's out of the, whoops. I didn't mean to do that. I don't know why it does that. Okay. That looks like a little bug in SDR Uno. Anyway, it's still there. What was I going to show you? Oh, I was going to show you. Now, let's see. I need to get back to the plugin so I can show you. Go back to FRAN. I already got it loaded someplace. Okay, let's close that. Should be down here. Right here it is. Okay, here it is. Now, here's what I was trying to show you. Different sources, different databases you can use. So if I click on this, this shows you all the different kinds of databases you can use. And what you have to do is you have to go find those databases and put it in the directory that you've specified to FRAN where the databases are. So for instance, a very popular one is EIBI. So you can load in an EIBI database. Now, I don't see it. This is weird. I forgot what It used to let you load in these databases here that you created, and I don't see that. I'll have to look into that because that's what I was using before. Anyway, I've got it loaded. I can minimize this now. It's now showing me, and you have to, again, you have to make this as big as possible, and you need to zoom in because like normally when I start this program, here's the zoom right there. And so it's all crammed together. So, boy, look at all the signals, and they're strong. The heck is this here? Okay, let's zoom in then. Let's see what FRAN is trying to tell me. Look at, okay. WWCR, that may be what I'm hearing or seeing or whatever. Let's unmute. Yeah, that's what that is. So there you are. So I don't have to go to that website that gives me a listing of the databases. I got it right here in front of me. This plugin is so cool. Just want to show it to you real quick. It's called FRAN. If you go to the SDR Play website and you click on, at the top, you click on plugins, and then you go down the page, and it's about 3/4 way down the total page. So it's off the screen initially. You'll find the FRAN, F-R-A-N plugin, and then there's a link to download it. It's a zip file. You have to unzip it and then put it in the proper directory so it will show up here under plugins. And then you open it up, and then you have it open a database, and you're good to go. Here it is working. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.